Hello dear student, today I am going to describe about some important MCQ questions based on the chapter 2 and 3, that is MS Access Basic and MS Access Advanced Concept. These MCQ questions will be case study based and application oriented question. So let's start. Question 1, Anita is a database administrator. She will make an object of for a table that can be used for updation in database table, which database object she can create to do the work. So for updating database table, which object we can create? The answer is form, because form is actually an interface, or you can tell it is the object where we can change the data, update the data, and reflection will be affected the original table. Next part, Amol wants to submit the final layout of the table production to his management. Which database object he can create to do the work? The option will be report, because report is an object which provides the final layout of the table, and report is the final layout that is provided to the management for the final decision. Question number 3, Sneha wants to make a query to find out the student name and roll number who has got more than 90 mark in science subject. Which object she has to make for doing this in database? So this is actually the data extraction process from a table. When you want to search, you want to find, you want to extract some data based on a certain query, you need to do the query. So the options will be query. Here Sneha will be making a query where Sneha will give the mark greater than 90%, and that is the condition or criteria based on which the particular data will be extracted and displayed. Question number 4, Neha wants to display the student's name who study in section A. She has made a query in MS Access database. Which one is correct? Obviously the option this will be correct, because when you are making a condition, you need to make the condition with mentioning the field name, that is name, the field name, the column is name, equal to the section is A, that should be given within the double quotes, because A is the character. So this is the correct condition. Question number 5, Farhan wants to store picture in the field student underscore photo in database table. Which data type he should use to do the work? Obviously OLE object is the data type that Farhan needs to set for the column student underscore photo. OLE means object linking and embedding. OLE object allows you to set a picture on a field. Question number 6, Aisha works for an IT company. She has given a task to build a computerized database for the company. Which software she can use for this? Obviously for the computerized database we use MS Access. For this we can use MS Access 2013, 2016 also. Question number 7, Aisha wants to create a table inside a database. Which menu of the MS Access window she should use for this? So for the database table, for creating a database table, which menu we can use? Obviously the create menu. Under the create menu we will see the table creation option will be there. Question number 8, Aisha wants to form a structure of a database table which with multiple column with proper data type. Which view of the table she should use? So Aisha wants to construct the table structure. Aisha wants to give the table multiple column and the data type. Which view of the table Aisha should use? The option will be design view, because in the design view Aisha can create the design of the table. That means Aisha can give multiple column and data type of the column. So the answer is design view. Question number 9, Aisha has set a column name in the student table in MS Access database. Now which data type is best suitable for the column? So student, you can you have seen many videos, you know the name is a field or a column in a student table, and for the name we take the student name that comprises of characters, text. So we should use long text. Short text will be applied also, long text will be applied also, but for the name field or column you should take the long text, because the student name may be wrong, maybe long. Question number 10. In question number 10, we have a question. Esha has set a column role in student table in MS Access database. Which data type is best suitable for the column? So role takes the digits, the number. So the number data type is the suitable data type for the column role. Question number 11. Esha has set a column section in the student table in MS Access database. Which data type is best suitable for the column? So student, you can see that for the section we can use the short text, it will be best. Question number 12, just 1 minute student. Question number 12, Krishanu wants to display student details from database table to student in ascending order of the student name. Which of the following technique he should use? Krishanu wants to display the student details based on the student name, and the student name will come in the ascending order. So what technique Krishanu should apply? Obviously the technique name is sorting. So you can do the sorting on the table data, and the data will be sorted in a particular manner, ascending or descending. In case of sorting, Krishanu will select the ascending order to sort the student name. Question number 13, Gaurav wants to set a field roll number as a dash that can uniquely identify each record in the table. Foreign key, primary key, composite key, alternate key. Obviously foreign key. So when Gaurav wants to set a roll number, the roll number must be for primary key, and primary key is a field or a column which has different unique data for each and every record in the table, and thus the field roll will have the unique value for each and every column, for each and every record in the table, and uniquely identify each and every record in the table. Question number 14, if you set the data type of a field name in the table, how many characters you can use for the name? Suppose a data type is set for the field name and the data type may be short text, suppose, then how many characters we can take? We can take 255 character we can take. Remember this. Question number 15, your teacher has given you a task to create a form based on database table student in MS Access. Which of the following option you can use to create a form? So if you have given a task to create a form based on a database table, which option you can use? Form wizard you can use, form design you can use, blank form you can use, all of these. So the answer will be all of these. So dear students, these are the new set of questions, new type of case study based questions, application based question. You study these questions 1 to 15 based on the chapter 2 and 3. Thank you student.